what's happening? It's been a busy, oh man, my garage is full of junk right now. We've been preparing for the season, which is Halloween, one of our favorites. Um, so you gotta kind of excuse me a little bit. Uh, Also, kind of invested in a couple of things. The basic selfie stick, which I'm using right now, and a little microphone. Hopefully, it's recording good. We'll soon find out. Um, I was going through some videos trying to do some editing and realized that I had I had no introduction to a couple of them. So, real quickly, I'm going to introduce. Not too long ago, a few weeks ago, we rode out to, or I rode out to Ohio County, and we partaked in the festivities going up there on their bike night on Thursday night, which they do a heck of a job on it. First night was a decent little night. They thought it was going to get rain out, so it didn't have as good of a turnout as they thought it was going to. But it was a decent turnout. I had a lot of fun. Met a lot of people I haven't seen for a while, and then the next week we wound up going. It was their last one of the season. They were doing a toy run, or basically a Toys for Tot thing. You bring in your toys and all that, and they had a really good turnout. A lot of sponsorships and everything else, which is great. One of the things that a lot of people don't think about, the big mean bikers and stuff like that doing. But they did, and I rode out, and I got some bike footage and stuff, but I didn't do no interviews. I'm not really good at that right now. I, I don't feel confident enough of sticking a camera in somebody's face and all that good stuff yet, and still trying to figure on how to get all these done. You have to excuse me. I'm kind of walking around in the garage, thinking, man, I've got to do some cleaning up in here. I can't hardly get around. Weather's kind of gotten kind of crappy. When you can see the ladder out there, I've been hanging up Halloween decorations, but I'll give y'all a peeky look. I've just got them partly set up, and it started raining on us. But yeah, we like our Halloween. We got the golf cart here, crashed into the pole. All this lights up and everything. Hopefully we'll have a good turnout. Got the fog machine, prepping it and all that good stuff. So, but anyway, real quickly, I don't want to take too long. I'm gonna roll these videos that I did. I'm gonna put both weeks together. The first week, first Thursday that we went, and then the next Thursday that we went. So it'll be 2 different weeks, and I hope y'all enjoy it. And if you're out in Kentucky, check these events out. They do really good and have a lot of fun, some good music and all that good stuff. So I hope y'all enjoy, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Here I am, getting ready to head on out. I guess the wife she's done headed out. She's going to drop the kids off and head up there later on. I'm going to ride out and enjoy the scenery and have a good ride. So I shall talk to y'all later on.
Tonight, your name goes back in the box for the grand prize, which is this corner board set here. Yep, the Harley Davidson cornhole board set. And next weekend also at the St. Jude Fall Fest Cruise In, we also have a cornhole tournament that day as well. I will give you the times here in a minute. I'll have to pull out the paper, what time you register and all that. We got a cakewalk, face painting.
Well, that's about it. Sorry I couldn't get more footage than this, but everybody's dwindling down, as you can see. There was a few pretty decent turnout here. One bike of the night, I'll show the plaque on that and everything, and I'm gonna get on down the road and get back to the house and pick up the kids and everything. Until then, talk to y'all later.
A few moments later.
Hey, this was an awesome event. I didn't do a lot of footage. I don't want to step in their Kool-Aid or nothing. Right now I'm kind of like buttoning up my shirt. It's a little chilly. I gotta go back the back way. Bottoms and all that good stuff. It gets pretty cold. But we had a good time. The kids had a great time. This is a hell of an event around this little part of Kentucky or in Ohio County. So if anybody's up in this area, stop in on a Thursday during the summertime and have that. This was their last event. It's for charity. So stop in if you're in this area. Great people, great events, fun time. Till then, we're gonna head down the road. Well, we made it home. Ran into a little bit of rain, but it's a good ride. Nice weather and everything like that. You can't ask for more than that. So if you like his content and everything, you know what to do. We're trying to build this channel up, and I like hearing comments on all what you like, don't like, or anything like that. You're not gonna hurt my feelings none. So you know, do what you do, and like I always say, keep two on the ground, and I'll talk to y'all later. See y'all.